Let me guess. You get paid, feel rich for 2 days, and then by the end of the month you're asking, where did all my money go? Don't worry, you're not broken. Your system is. And today, I'll show you the 3-account system that runs your budget automatically. Spoiler alert, it's like having your money on autopilot. No spreadsheets, no stress, no 2 a.m. panic about rent. Most people dump all their cash into one account and then try to mentally separate bills, savings, and fun. That's like pouring soda, juice, and milk into one glass and then hoping it magically tastes good. Spoiler, it won't. But with just 3 accounts, your money organizes itself. Here's how. This is your main checking account. All your money lands here first. Salary, side hustle, even the $20 your aunt sent you on PayPal. Think of it as Grand Central Station. Money comes in and then quickly heads out to where it actually belongs. You don't hang out here, you just pass through. Pro tip, never let this account pile up. Move the money as soon as it arrives. This account is sacred. It's only for fixed expenses, rent, utilities, Netflix if you really insist. Nothing else. By separating bills, you'll always know you can cover them. Imagine the calm of never worrying, do I have enough for rent this month? It's like money meditation, except cheaper. Nearly 65% of late payments happen not because people can't pay, but because they forget. With a dedicated bills account, forgetfulness is no longer expensive. Finally, your spending account. This is the card you actually swipe for groceries, coffee, Uber rides, and those random Amazon buys at 1 a.m. The beauty? You can spend it guilt-free. If the balance is low, that's it. You're done. No guilt, no overspending, no accidental rent money disappearing into pizza. Think of it as your adult allowance, except you don't have to ask mom for it. So here's the magic. Every payday, your money lands in the income hub. Then you set up 2 automatic transfers. One to the bills vault, covering rent, utilities, subscriptions. One to your fun and freedom account for daily spending. What's left in the hub? That's your savings or investing stash. It just sits there, growing quietly while you live your life. People who automate savings save 30% more than those who try to wing it, because willpower is weak, but automation is undefeated. Use separate debit cards for each account so you never mix them. Rename accounts in your app. Bills only. Spending money. Future me. Start small. Even if it's just $50 into savings, consistency beats perfection. Budgeting doesn't have to feel like punishment. With 3 accounts, your money sorts itself. Bills get paid, fun stays fun, and savings grow in the background. Set it up once and you'll never wonder where your money went again. Comment below if you're starting the 3-account system today, and I'll cheer you on. And don't miss the next video. We're tackling the fastest way to build your $1,000 emergency fund without giving up the things you love. I'm Nexo. This is Nexo Explains. And remember, smart systems beat strong willpower every time.